I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study history O-level. First, thoroughly understand your examination board's syllabus. This document is your roadmap, outlining all the content you need to cover and the skills you must develop. Pay close attention to the learning outcomes and assessment objectives. Knowing these will help you prioritize your study efforts and ensure you are focusing on what truly matters for the exam. It is the foundation for effective preparation. Once you understand the syllabus, focus on mastering the content. Active learning is key. Don't just read. Create your own detailed notes, perhaps using a 2-column method for key facts and explanations. Visual aids like timelines can help you grasp chronology, while mind maps illustrate connections between events and causes. Consistent review, perhaps for 50 minutes daily, will solidify your knowledge and make recall much easier during the exam. History exams often require strong analytical and essay writing skills. For source analysis, practice evaluating sources for their reliability, utility, and potential bias. Ask yourself who created it, why, and for whom. When writing essays, ensure a clear structure, an introduction outlining your argument, several body paragraphs with supporting evidence, and a concise conclusion. Aim for at least 3 pieces of specific evidence per main point to strengthen your arguments. Finally, effective revision and exam technique are crucial. Work through many past papers, simulating exam conditions to improve speed and accuracy. This helps you become familiar with question formats and time constraints. Carefully read examiner reports. They offer invaluable insights into what examiners look for and common pitfalls to avoid. During the actual exam, allocate your time wisely, perhaps 1.5 minutes per mark, to ensure you attempt all questions thoroughly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.